Have you been injured at work in Virginia? If so, what benefits am I entitled to? Well, the answer is you're entitled to a lot of benefits, but the truth is that the insurance company doesn't really want you to know everything you're entitled to. And so it's always a good idea to talk to an attorney. But here's the rundown. First of all, if you get hurt at work, you're entitled to temporary total disability benefits. Those are wage replacement benefits. Basically, tax-free, 2/3 of your base pay, your total salary. How about if I go back to work, but I'm on light duty and I'm not making as much? Well, then you're entitled to receive 2/3 of the difference between what you were making before your accident and what you're making now. If you have an impairment to an arm or a leg, you get benefits called permanent partial disability benefits, or PPD benefits. For example, a 20% impairment to your arm could be worth $20,000 or $30,000. So it's always good to ask about those types of benefits. Well, let's say I can never go back to work. Let's say I'm out for more than 10 years. Well, you can actually receive benefits for lifetime if you have an injury that falls in one of these categories. If you have a brain injury that takes you out of the workforce, or if you're in a wheelchair and can't use your legs, or if you have a significant impairment to 2 or more limbs. Typically, all you can receive in Virginia are 10 years of workers' comp benefits, but if you have one of the injuries I just mentioned, you can get additional benefits. Well, what else can I get? Well, if you incur medical bills, they have to pay your medical bills. And it's not for 5 years or 10 years, it's for your lifetime. So you have significant benefits that you can receive if you've been injured at work. It's always a good idea, particularly if you think you have a permanent injury, to call a lawyer and just ask what your case is worth. If you have any questions, please feel free to give me a call right here at my office in Richmond, Virginia. Don't wait, call 804-888-8888. Geoff McDonald Associates.